Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Survey 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all. Also, let me know is audio, video both are okay. Are we good to go? So as you know, in this Achiever series, we were talking about each and every module of your PPB, and every day we are discussing certain number of units from the particular module. So we have done the module A. Apart from that, we have completed the module B, and now from today onwards, we will be starting the module C classes. So this is the first class of your module C, and when we talk about module C, it is simply your PPB. When it comes to the PPB, the 60% weightage, or I can say the 60% syllabus of yours is in module A and B, because this module C of your PPB, it start from the class number 41, or I can say the 42, not the 41, 42. So module C start from the 42nd unit. So you can see from 1 to 41st unit, you have two modules only, that is A and B. Then module C ends with the 50th unit. It means from 42 to 50th, it means only 8 units are there in the module C. When it comes to the module D, it have only 5 units. From 51 to 55, these are the 5 units there in the module D. So it's very obvious that module A and B, they have more syllabus, they have more content, they have more units. So it's very obvious they will be having more weightage in the paper. So 60% weightage have been given to the module A and B. When it comes to the module C and D, they have a less syllabus, they have less units, so their weightage will be less in the paper. That was 40%, and this was the scenario that we were seeing, okay, in the PPB's paper. But what happened in October 2023, what happened is, when we talk about the C module, it is mainly banking technology. It talks about the banking technology, and when it comes to the banking technology, the third shift, I can say, was totally on the banking technology. And the feedback or analysis we have got from the bankers, they said it was looking like we are giving a technical paper, it's not the principles and practices of banking. So now what does it mean? It means now the shift wise questions can be seen different, the shift wise difficulty level, the shift wise weightage will be different in your paper. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to make sure that we are covering each and everything without focusing on what have the more weightage and what have the less weightage. We have to give our 100% because the PPB paper was toughest in October 2023, and that we have to have in our mind. Okay, so let's just start. This is module C's first class, and we will be talking about the questions and we will be discussing the answer as we do for each and every session of you. Apart from that, the same Achiever series is going on for IE/IFS subject as well in the evening at 7 p.m. Okay, so do make sure you join both the sessions. So let's start with the first question, that is talking about core banking. So which of the following is the advantage of adopting the core banking? First is saying reliable centralized data recovery. Second is saying enable data warehousing and data mining technologies. Third is saying integrated customer-centric service. Fourth is saying core infrastructure can be used for future expansion. And fifth is saying all of the above. In the paper, you will see there are only 4 options. Okay, in the paper, you will have only 4 options, not 5 options will be there. Now, you have to answer out of these 5 statements, which statement is correct, or which option is correct, you can say A, B, C, or D. So let me know which of the following is correct. If we talk about the core banking solution, what actually the core banking solution? It is CBS. Okay, it is what? It is CBS. It is core banking solution. So core banking solution is simply a technology. Hana, what is CBS? CBS is a core banking solution. It's a technology which gives the centralized server to each and every bank. It means there is a centralized branch or central host is there in the branches, which will be linking all the branches of the bank in the country. Like Punjab National Bank is there, for example. So all the branches of PNB are linked to the central host. Same with the SBI, same with the Axis Bank, same with all the banks in the country. Now they all are linked to each other. Okay, they all are linked to the central host. Now, what is the scenario here? Earlier, for the basic services or for some kind of services, the bankers used to say to the customer, like for this service, you have to visit your home branch. Okay, like if I want to have demand deposit, sorry, not the demand deposit, if I want to issue the DD, demand draft. A lot of banks used to say that this will be done from your home branch only. But now none of these kind of system will be there. A customer can have banking services anywhere, everywhere. Anywhere at any time now also, because 24/7 services are available because of the virtual banking. So the core banking solution is actually reliable centralized data recovery. At a center, all the data of the customer is available. Enable data warehousing, data mining technologies. Integrated customer-centric services will be there, and core infrastructure can be used for future expansion. It means right answer is all of the above. All of these are the advantages of having core banking solution. So when it comes to the core banking solution, what is it? It is simply a technology that link all the branches of a bank to a central host. And now a customer can go to any branch and can take whatever service the customer wants. Now the customer do not have to particularly visit the home branch. Okay, second question. In ring topology, dash, what happens? Data transmission is possible only in one direction. Devices are connected in a closed loop. Information is passed from one node to other in series, and all of the above. So if we have a ring topology, which of the following will be correct? A, B, C, or D? In the ring topology, which of the following will be correct? A, B, C, or D? So you can see in the ring topology, actually the data transmission is possible only in one direction, not in two directions. Okay, this is true. Devices are connected in closed loop. This is also true. Information is passed from one node to other in series. Obviously, it go from one direction, one to another node, 1 to 2. The nodes will be transferring the service, the information. So right answer is D, all of the above. All of these can be seen in the ring topology here. Okay, so right answer is D. Okay, next question we have, terminals connected to a server are known as dash. The terminals connected to a server are known as what? Are they known as clients, nodes, CPU, clients and nodes, or none of the above? So we are talking about the terminals which are connected to the server. What you can call those terminals? Nodes, clients, CPU, both client and nodes, or none of these. Which of the following will be correct? The right answer will be your both A and B. Right answer will be both A and B. You can call it clients, you can call it nodes. Okay, so the terminal which are connected to the server, they are known as clients or nodes. So right answer will be D. Both A and B. Next question. Next we have, which of the following is not an important objective of computerization in banking? So which of the following is not an important objective of computerization in banking? First, customer service. Second, reduction of manpower. Third, decision making. Fourth, productivity and profitability. So you have to answer not an important objective. So computerization was done because the need of the people was keep changing, because the market is customer oriented, customer is the king of the market, and customer wants a lot of services which was not possible to provide without having the better technology. So the computerization have been introduced in the banking system, and it actually helped the banking system. Somehow it attracted the cyber threats in the banking system, but still it's easy it's beneficial for both. It is easy for the bankers to provide services. It is easy for the customers to take the services. So obviously, the better customer services are there. The decision making will be better now, because you can, like we have a management information system. What management information system does? It collects data from the internal sources and from the external sources as well. After collecting that data, it process the data. The management information system process the data. After processing the data, it will convert that data into useful information. And then that useful information will be shared with the user, and the user will be making the right decision, or will be making sound decision, because of the computerization, because we have management information system. Okay, and also productivity and profitability will be enhanced. But reduction of manpower, this was never the objective of introducing computers in the banking. Okay, to reduce the manpower from the banking sector, it was never the objective. So the right answer will be your B. Right answer we have is B. I hope clear. Next question. For uninterrupted power supply, we want an uninterrupted power supply used in branch computerization. The following devices is used. You want what? You want UPS. You want uninterrupted power supply. Online UPS, offline UPS, converter, generator, all of the above. So to provide uninterrupted power supply, which of the following is required? A, B, C or D? For uninterrupted power supply, A, B, C or D, which of the following is required? And the right answer is, it is actually online uninterrupted power supply is required if you want to have the uninterrupted power supply in the branch computerization. Okay, so the device you need is online UPS, that is A. Clear? So online UPS is required for providing the uninterrupted power supply in the branch computerization. Next question we have here is, which of the following statement is not true about core banking system? Which of the following is not true about core banking system? First is saying branches are interconnected only to share customer data among them. Second, customer need not necessarily transact only from home branch. Third, data of customer is not lost when his home branch is down. Fourth, a customer can access by his banking account related information through multiple ways. Online, mobile and other banking services can be provided. So you have to answer which of the following is not true about the core banking solution. So see, if you talk about online banking, mobile banking or other banking services will be provided to the customer, this is true. Customers are getting all these services right now. Okay. Second is, fourth is saying a customer can access his banking account related information through multiple ways. This is also true. Customer can have the information, can use the account from online platform, from the application, from the website. Customer can perform the transaction in his account, his or her account, from the ATM, okay, from the kiosk centers. So a lot of ways are there in front of customer. This is also true. Data of customer is not lost when the branch is down. This is also true. I've told you now, all the branches will be connected to the central host, and central host will have the all data about the customer. Okay, so now it's very obvious the customer do not have to go to the home branch. This is also true. Only the A option is not true. That's saying branches are interconnected only to share the customer data among them. No, they also provide services to any branch customer of their bank. Okay, so the right answer is A. This is not true in context to your core banking system. Right answer is A. Okay, next question. Next is bus topology. So which of the following is correct about the bus topology? First is saying each node is joined to the central node by a separate medium. Second is saying devices are connected in the closed loop. It's a bus topology, Hannah, do remember. Information is passed to the central node. Fourth is devices on the network are connected to a single continuous cable. And fifth is all of the above. So what do you think? Which of the following is correct? So this is the kind of bus topology. This is your bus topology. Okay, and it means right answer is D. Devices on the network are connected to a single continuous cable. So all these devices are connected to what? They are connected to a single cable. Clear? So your right answer is D about the bus topology. Sorry. Okay, next. Next question we have here is, in star topology, which of the following is correct? So we have seen in today's session till now ring topology, bus topology, and now the third one is star topology. And first is saying each node is joined to the central node by a separate medium. Devices are connected in a closed loop. If it's a star, it cannot be possible. They cannot be in the closed loop. Information is passed from one node to another. Devices on the network connected to a single continuous cable, not possible. Right answer will be like each node is joined to the central node by a separate medium. Okay, that's your star topology. So the right answer will be your A. Right answer will be your A. Clear? Next. Which of the following is not a necessary component for a standalone computer system? So we have a standalone computer system, and which of the following devices not required for it? Like hard disk, operating system, memory, network card, all of the above. Which of the following is not required? A, B, C or D? Okay, because it is a standalone, you do not need a network card. What is not required? A network card is not required because it's a standalone, because it will be used by one person at one time. Okay, multi-user, in the multi-user computer system, you will be capable, like more than one or two people are capable of using the system at the same time. But in a standalone, one person can be capable using it at one time. So right answer is D. Okay, next question is about multi-user. So in multi-user computer networking dash, what happens? First is saying computers are based on a centralized processing concept. Second is saying various terminals are attached to the central computer. Third is saying all data and information is kept on the central computer. Fourth is saying a large number of users can be connected to a central computer. And fifth is saying all of the above. So in case of multi-user computers networking, which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So when you're saying a large number of users can be connected, this is true. Multiple users can be using this multi-user computer networking. All data and information is kept on the central computer. This is also true. Various terminals are attached to the central computer. This is also true. Computers are based on a centralized processing. This is also true. So right answer will be what? All of the above. All of the above statements are talking about the multi-user computer networking. So the right answer will be your E option. Clear? Okay. Now, so that's all for today. Now, before moving forward, do let me know how many answers you guys have given correct. Out of the total questions, how many answers you guys have given correct, let me know. Apart from that, I have one information for all of you. So we are meeting after, I guess, 3 days. So 3 days gap was there because I was not available at that time. And in these 3 days gap, we was going to start the PPB subject in the resolution batch. But because I was not available and we do not wanted that your time will be wasted, so we have started AFM. So AFM classes started from 10th of January. So Niharika ma'am started your batch from 10th of January. Okay, now as I promised that I will be starting first the PPB subject, because like in the after May 2023 paper, bankers were very worried about the IE/IFS paper because it was the toughest paper. Now, after October 2023, the bankers are more concerned about the PPB because it was toughest paper. So that's why I will be starting PPB subject from Saturday. That's your 13th of January. Okay, so PPB will be starting from 13th of January in the resolution batch. And IE/IFS will be started after 1 month from 15th of Feb. Okay, IE and IFS, I will start from 15th Feb. Clear? So this is what I'm talking about. These are the 3 subjects, and after that the retail banking will be started. And this is the resolution batch. As you can see, this batch, how to enroll in this batch. First, you have to download the Adda 24/7 application. After downloading the application, just go to the exam category, and your exam category will be simply JAIIB CIB. So let's say this is our home page. On the home page, you will find the exam category there. Okay, so you have to go with the exam category. So this is JAIIB CIB. Then go to the JAIIB May 2024. Click on the view all option. You will find everything related to the JAIIB available in a single tab. Okay. So this is resolution batch already started from 10th January. I am starting PPB from your 13th of January. So do check the offerings, check the validity, and if you want a study plan, it is already uploaded. So you can click on the study plan. You can see PPB and AFM. 2 subjects has been starting in this in 1 week only. So you can see from 10th of January 7 to 8 p.m. Niharika ma'am started your AFM, and I will be starting your PPB from 13th of January. That will be 8 to 9 p.m. and we are starting with module A because you guys know module A and B have maximum syllabus. So if it has maximum syllabus, it need more time to revise the content. Okay, so this is the study plan available. After that, click on the buy now option. If you use more than 75% discount, if you want more than 75% discount, then use the code Y496. Click on the apply. Once you apply, you will find 79% discount, but 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins on your application. So 80% discount, 6-month validity is available on this code Y496. Okay. And AFM started from 10th January, PPB is starting from 13th January. If you haven't started your preparation and you are still waiting for the batch, so trust me, this resolution batch covers everything what is required to clear the paper. Okay, so this is how you can enroll, and the process to enroll in the other batches will be also same. Apart from that, if you are looking for a YouTube sessions, for that you have to subscribe the channel Officer Survey 24/7 and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, and for PPB sessions, you have to join the channel. You have to join the session in the morning at 6 a.m. and for IE/IFS, you have to join the session in the evening at 7 p.m. Okay, so these are the timing of your paper 1 and paper 2 that I will be taking care of. So that's all for today. Let's end the session here. And if you have any doubt about anything, you can drop your message in the comment section. I will check your comment and answer there. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you all for joining the session and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.